In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google to enhance your video editing experience using Clipchamp. Whether you're a seasoned video creator or just starting out, knowing the ropes on how to maneuver through Clipchamp with Google's support can significantly streamline your editing process. First, we're going to head over to Clipchamp. It's a powerful, web-based video editing tool designed to make the editing process accessible and straightforward, regardless of your level of expertise. Simply open your preferred browser. I recommend using Chrome for seamless integration with Google products, and type in the URL or search for Clipchamp on Google and click on the first link in the results. This will take you to the Clipchamp homepage, where you can either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Having access to Clipchamp gives you a range of editing capabilities right at your fingertips, from trimming and cutting to adding special effects and exporting the final product. Once you're logged in, it's time to dive into your media library. This section is where all your uploaded and available media is organized. Within Clipchamp, heading to your media involves navigating to the dashboard and clicking on the Your Media tab. This space is crucial because it's where you can import all the video clips, audio snippets, and images you might need for your project. Uploading media is as simple as dragging your files from your computer into the browser window. Clipchamp makes it incredibly easy to collect and organize all your resources in one spot. Having everything in your media library allows you to quickly access and integrate different assets into your projects without unnecessary hassle. Now, if you want to pause a video during playback, simply take a screenshot of your video at the point you want to pause. To do this, navigate to the specific part of the video on your timeline. Once there, you can insert a screenshot or still image, which effectively acts as a pause, visually interrupting the flow of the video for the viewer. This technique is particularly useful for emphasizing a point or giving your audience a moment to absorb important information. You're able to adjust the duration of this pause by extending the length of time the still image remains visible. Staying organized and methodical here will enable you to manipulate the timeline precisely, ensuring your video's rhythm and pace match your creative intentions. And there you have it. Embracing these steps with Clipchamp will allow you to edit with precision and creativity, offering you full control over the narrative you're constructing through video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different elements in your library, and soon you'll find your editing process more intuitive and rewarding. Happy editing!